I think you are searching about projection clock, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality projection clock? Need free shipping projection clock? Looking for digital projection alarm clock having premium LCD display? Looking for projection alarm clock having wireless sensor transmission? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best digital projection alarm clock. Number 1. TEPMOMETP digital projection alarm clock, and the feature is material, plastic. Display, time, calendar, day of week, indoor temperature and humidity. 3 alarm modes, Mon To Fri, Mon To Sat, and Mon To Sun. Motivity type, Quartz. Width, 25 mm. Let's go for number 2. Famirosa digital projection alarm clock, and the feature is material, plastic. Projection function, all information on the display can be easily read from any angle. Motivity type, digital. Width, 80 mm. Shape, square. Let's go for number 3. DECDEAL digital projection alarm clock, and the feature is material, ABS. Screen, premium LCD panel displays time, weather forecasting, indoor and outdoor temperature, month, date, week, and alarm. Wireless sensor, weather station receives signal from wireless remote sensor, and displays outdoor temperature on screen. Color backlight, 8 backlight colors switchable. Length, 1350 mm.